The COVID season is also a stressful time for doctors around the world. In Chennai, doctors have released a dance album to help doctors come out of that stressful situation. With me, three doctors, Dr. Meena, Deepashri, and Dr. Sai. Thank you all very much for your time. You're the brain behind this. Doctors dance so beautifully.
Indeed, one must understand that doctors have a child inside them. They have a dancer inside them. Sometimes we need to break the stereotype too. And there we go. We broke the stereotype, and the dancer and the child has come out of us, and COVID has let that come out.
The idea behind this?
The idea behind this is to break the stress, basically. So, you know that wellness is all about physical, mental, and social well-being. We all focus on the physical well-being, but none of us actually focus on the mental health. So we felt that we should have mental health as a priority because stress can decrease our immunity. And if we can address the stress, we can boost our immunity. And when you boost your immunity, you're actually not susceptible to any of the diseases. So that was the idea behind this. And just to bring smile for at least 8 minutes on everybody's faces.
Was it fun dancing?
Yeah, it was extreme fun, bringing together so many hospitals and doctors together in the city who are really in the front line, and to make them dance really brought their stress levels down, and it was a unique effort from all of us.
Right. Doctor, when you treat COVID patients, what runs in your mind? What does your family say?
Yeah, we are scared that when we treat the patients, when we go back home, we go with a fear that are we going to infect our loved ones. So obviously, when these are all family members here, no, they obviously say, just घर में रहो, just छोड़ दो, job को.
Means?
Just leave the job and just be at home. So.
Right. But duty calls.
Yeah, duty calls.
Absolutely. I mean, sometimes, we, as Dr. Meena said, this is always, there is this burden on our head. Are we going to take this home? But having said that, we've got to live with COVID now because, as you know, we really don't know when the vaccine is going to come up. So we've come from the denial mode to the acceptance mode, and we've got to live with it. We have got to take adequate precautions. Having said that, please focus on your mental health and do something which takes the stress away.
Right. Doctor, when you hear about how doctors are also stigmatized, many doctors are being asked to shift their homes. Recently, Dr. Simon, who died after contracting the virus, his body wasn't allowed to be buried by a mob. When you hear all this?
Yeah, it's very unfortunate to know and hear all those things. Definitely, as doctors, we want to save more and more lives. That is why we have studied or taken up medicine. But in this pandemic, when the world is suffering, all people have to understand that everybody is undergoing their own, sufferings and distress. This is not a time to deny. It is to accept all our indifferences and fight against this COVID.
Right. Thank you all very much. Certainly a tribute by COVID warriors for all those who fight in the front line in Chennai with Arvind, Sam Daniel, Find It TV.